Hello friends, welcome back to Rashi's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you my small garden where I have planted various vegetables and flowers. This is just behind my house where I have a small area, and there I have planted few vegetables plants, flowers plant, but I want to show you from the initial stage how we started everything. So let's see the past. So friends, as you can see that my husband he only started everything. So he started with the digging up the spots, and he placed the vegetable beds, and he bought this organic soil from the Welles farm. And now he will put all the soils inside those boxes so that it will be filled. But before placing a soil, his idea is to place the cardboard inside. What the cardboard will act like a weed barrier, and it will not allow any grasses or weed to grow inside the vegetable bed. So that's why he has planned to put the cardboards inside, and after that he is going to place all the soil above it and fill these boxes with this organic soil, and then he will start with planting the plants. So this is all, and it took about like 4 or 5 days or a week for him to dig everything, take out the grasses and place these boxes there. He put a lot of effort in doing this, and after that we saw a very beautiful output that is full of vegetables we are getting from our garden, all organic vegetables. And this organic soil actually contain organic fertilizer kind of cow dungs and some other stuffs which helps the plants to grow fast. So friends, now coming back to our plants. So here we have planted sunflower. These are the sunflowers where the birds started coming up, and these are cucumber plants which will be like crawling kind of. They will grow very fast, and these days we started getting a lot of cucumbers as well. And we have planted at the side, or at the boundary we have planted all the flowers so that it will make the root very strong and not make the soil to get erupted. And at this side we have planted some of the radish, and this is still the in the growing stage. And as you can see, these are the white radish and chili. These are the green chili plants, small, and many more plants we have planted in the way like pumpkins, and this one you can see, these all are the red radish, with the string ones are the onions. And this is a blueberry plant. It's not started yet giving any flowers or fruit, but we are waiting to get anything very quickly. These are the pumpkins, and I don't know really what is the variety of that pumpkins, but we planted the seed. It's coming out from the seed, and it took about like 4 weeks to grow this much. And this is a coriander leaves, and here I have already taken out some methi leaves, which is fenugreek leaves. And here I have beetroot. I have planted some flowers. I have planted over here, and you can see all these small ones are the beetroot. They are yet to come up, so they are still in growing stage. And so I have many varieties of plant that I have planted here, and the most effort goes to my hubby. He has done all the effort and everything he has done. I gave my suggestion. Yeah, I really like those gardening. I have never done it before. This is the first time we are doing, and this is the bitter gourd, which is my favorite, that we call it as Karela. So we have this trellis also. We have took this trellis from Amazon, in which this bitter gourd plant will climb up and it will start giving the fruits. So I will keep you updated with my garden stuffs and everything. These are tomatoes. As you can see that the flowers coming out from the tomatoes. Soon we are hoping to see the fruits out of it, and I'm really very excited about it, to get fruits from my garden. We are still getting a cucumber from it, so I'm really happy, and also the radish we are eating. So it's really good for health to get the organic food from this garden and during this pandemic time. So it's really I'm glad to have this. I love seeing my flowers, and I love taking care of my garden. So friends, let's coming to the other side of my garden. Here we have some of the vegetable bed where I have planted few of the plants. Like this one is a green pepper capsicum plant, where we call it as Simla Mirch in Hindi. It's really good seeing them. This is the eggplant, and here you can see that this is my cucumber plant, where few of the flowers you can see. These flowers turn into the fruit. So and this is a green chili one. Here is the jalapeno. You can see a few of the small jalapenos hanging from the tree, and here I have some banana pepper. This one here you can see the cucumber inside. Yeah, so we are already getting cucumber from our plants. And going ahead, you can see this is a cherry tomato plant. This one, the small bushes of beans. This is a flat beans plant, which we call as seem in Hindi. This is a varieties of tomato we have planted. Some of the Roma tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, or vine tomatoes. And here we have the fresh coriander leaf. I really like garnishing my food with the fresh coriander leaf. It smells really very good. This is the small beans you can see hanging from the small bushes. And from the eggplant, I got my first eggplant. This is my favorite. Oh, I really like this. This is the first eggplant that I got. So friends, keep watching Ras's Kitchen. I will be keep updating you with my garden stuffs. Thank you. Bye bye.